So just by correcting that, immediately the body responds. And that.
Ooh.
There it goes.
You want to stick around for the rest of this video. We've got some very, very cool chiropractic adjustments for you today from some of your favorite chiropractors. We post every single day. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any fresh chiropractic content. Let's get into it. Next up, we have Dr. Scott Mitchell and Dr. Matt Delgado.
The right leg is maybe about a ½ inch shorter than the left. And then as we come up like this, they get even. And then if I go like this, is there any compression in the low back when I do this?
A little bit, yeah.
Kind of like the pressure right inside here. Yeah. So right here, good. You can relax that low back. I'm just gonna bring that down like that. Yes, beautiful. Let's see. Yeah. So now we got perfectly even. Staying even. Does that even feel a little bit smoother too? Yes, ma'am. So just by correcting that, immediately the body responds, and that now rocks back up to where it needs to be. So now she has a balanced pelvis. Find that, and you can kind of come right over here. Good, let's help bring that down right there. Good. Good, now do that 2 more times. Good. And 1 more. Good, good. No popping or cracking, right?
No popping or cracking.
How would you describe that? Just super gentle and easier?
Yeah, it was very easy.
And this just helps keep the scapula up off the rib cage. Like this, right there. Good, and take a breath in. And then all the way out. Good, and bring that down.
Ooh, dang, I never had that one done before. That was nice.
Yes. How would you describe that one?
That was a good one, I like that.
Is that when we come up to our clavicles, we can see that the left one is higher than the right. And it might be difficult to see on the camera, but this one's more posterior, more pushed backwards, and this one's more anterior, more pushed forwards. So we're going to be able to correct that today too, and be able to do a post check to see the different changes that makes as well. There it goes, beautiful. A little decompression. Good, and then actually, there's one more thing. Maybe go face down again. I want to double check one more thing. It does feel like it is tight in the levator scapula. So I'm just going to kind of contact that. And I'm just going to rock your head over to the side and kind of just push it down back to where it needs to go. So you can keep your head relaxed. I'm just going to go like this.
Ooh.
Yes.
Nice.
Have you ever had that one before?
No, you're doing all the new things. I like this.
Nice. So right now, all I do is just kind of sink in. I do this twice. Good. And one more. Nice. Good, right there. Good. And then take one deep breath all the way in. And then let it all the way out. I know you've never gotten that adjustment before. How would you describe that one?
Seamless, it was easy. So easy.
It's like this. There it goes. And then the very top, right inside here. Again, this is often another joint that's neglected right there. So it's pushed up, so we need to help bring that down. So let me have you bend this knee and bring your knee across like that. Awesome. I'm just going to contact that right there and just gently bring that down like that. Awesome. Soccer though, defense right there. Beautiful. That's right at the top.
It was good to feel like that.
Yeah, and then the calcaneus. Good. That's the heel bone. And this one's actually moving pretty well. So most of it was really on the left.
Up next, we have Dr. Neslie Clerge.
And I'm gonna stretch your neck both ways, okay?
Okay.
If it ever becomes too tight or uncomfortable, just let me know and we stop.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna start with a big deep breath for me. And let it out. How's that?
That's good.
Can I go further?
Yes.
All right, so breathe again. Let it out. Is that okay right there?
Mm-hmm.
Good, relax, let it out. Good. Is that okay?
Uh-huh.
Big deep breath. Relax and let it out. Good. And deep breath in. And good, out. Good. And I'm gonna place it right here on my shoulder. Okay? So, you wanna start with a big deep breath in and out.
That's good.
Is it too tight?
Yeah.
A little bit? Okay, so let's stop and then we start over. Relax completely, let it out. How's that right there? Okay. And out. A little more pressure is the last one. Good. While I lift this leg up just like this, okay? So start with a big deep breath for me. Let it out. How's that?
That's good.
Okay, can I go a little further?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's take another breath. Let it out. Comfortable right there?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Breath in. Let it out. Good. Comfortable right there?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go one more time on this side, okay? Deep breath once you're ready. Relax and let it out. Good. Is that comfortable?
Mm-hmm.
Can I go further?
Mm-hmm.
Let's take another breath. Relax and let it out. Good. We're gonna do one more time, okay?
Okay.
So okay, I start with a big deep breath. Good. Relax. Let it out. Perfect.
All right, so the head is right in that groove. Good. I'm gonna square your shoulder up a little bit more. Good. Okay. Take a deep breath for me. Let it out. Good. You wanna relax your body as much as you can, okay?
Okay.
All right. Hold on to your arm a little tighter though. Good. All right. And out. One more time. Deep breath. Out. Relax. There it is. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Again.
Again. Other side. And you're just gonna hold on to your arm.
Do I need to do something with this leg?
I got you.
Okay.
So your lower part of your body, you're gonna bring it a little bit closer. There you go. Perfect. Hold on to your arm. Good. And I'm gonna bend this leg this way. Now, hold on a little tighter. There you go. Good. Deep breath for me. Let it out. Good. Hold on tight. Good. Relax. Deep breath out.
Ooh.
Yes, ma'am. All right. Drop your whole body on me. Good. All right. Deep breath. Out. Relax.
Oh.
Yes, ma'am.
She looking at me like. That was good.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So you're going to, same scenario, interlock your fingers, go underneath your hair, put it on top of my hands, okay?
Wait, like this?
So go underneath your hair and interlock your fingers. And you want to put it on top of my hands.
Like this?
Yep. Perfect. Good. All right. Now, squeeze your elbows together.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to bring you back.
I still kind of feel tight. Right
It feels tight. Yeah, it's going to feel tight. Squeeze your elbows. Harder. Harder. Yeah, you're too tight for that. Okay. Usually you'll hear a lot of popping.
Yeah, I feel that I was tight right
But I
there.
knew you were too tight for it. All right, so let's try a different one. Okay. So there it is. How was that?
That was good.
That was good.
Mm.
Okay. Let's go to the other side. Okay. So once again, just relax for me, okay?
Okay, is this good?
Just that's good. And I'll do all the movements for you. You don't move your head and neck, I'll do the movements. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Relax for me. Relax, relax. Good, good, good. Relax.
Mm.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm.
Relax.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
That was perfect.
That was good.
Again.
So the key is relax for me. Mm. There we go.
Next up, we have Dr. Alex Tubio.
You can kind of already feel that, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is
Already
where we
popped
have
a
to
little
go. Yeah, it already popped a little bit. So we have to push in there. So I feel that tension down and through here, and then up in here. So close your eyes for me there. Good. Yeah, a little bit lower right there. Good. Empty out, empty, empty, empty.
Dang, my whole body was popping.
Good, drop, drop, drop. There it goes. Oh. Good. Just relax everything.
Oh my God. Yes. Oh yeah.
There you go. Now just relax. Tilt your chin up a tad bit. I need you to really, I can feel it like really tensing here. So I want you to let this shoulder drop. Bend your head down. Bend it so relax more. Yeah, so I'm just gonna play around with your head just because I can kind of feel it. So let it pull. Here, drop. There it goes.
Oh man. Ball bearings. It's just so, it just makes it so much easier to move.
Yeah, that's good. So you're doing good. Let that go. Whew. You're doing good.
Oh. Man, okay. All right. That release. Man.
Hey, you look straighter.
Yeah, I feel straighter.
Yeah, that's way
Yeah.
better. Look all the way to the right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
Man. How does that feel?
Feels good. Feels easy.
If you made it to the end of the video, guys and girls, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more.